everyone. Very good evening. Today I'm exploring Rajmata, Vada Pav and Snack Center. So I reached here and it has been 14 years they are selling that Vada Pav, and it is famous for only Vada Pav and 3 types of chutneys are there. If you will stay in video, so you will know more about the Vada Pav. Okay. And it has located in near BKT. You have to ask someone. It is very famous. If you will ask anyone where is the Rajmata Vada Pav, definitely you will get. And as you can see, backside of me, I feel and a lot of rush. Oh my god! I came at morning. At that time, rush was there. Then I came at evening. Right now, also a lot of rush is there, and I request that person, so they allowed me to record that video. And actually this is their back side, and at front side a lot of crowd is there. So when you will come here now, so from far distance you will smell. Okay, Rajmata Vada Pav is coming, like that smell. Because of that smell, you will get attracted to come here and you will eat. So it's be in video and know more about Rajmata Vada Pav. Okay. Have you seen I got 3 types of chutney. Actually I can't hold in my hand because the paper, if I will hold in my hand, the paper, that all the stuff will get fallen down, or it will get fall down on the floor. So I have they have given me on paper, like there is a 2 paper, so that this is Vada Pav, and they have given me very hot Vada Pav. They put it in oil and very hot, and they take out. So this is my Vada Pav. Can you see? It's too big, it's very hot. When I will taste, then I will tell you how the actual taste is. And with that Vada Pav, they have given me something. What do you call? I don't know. It is aloo bhaji, something they have given me. And later they have given me kanda bhaji. And with those, I got 3 different type of chutney. So Rajmata is famous for their that chutney, and it's very very famous for their Vada Pav. So that I guess this is besan chutney, and that the second one is green chili chutney. But I will show you. Otherwise, this won't understand. Yeah. So this is besan. This is besan chutney, and this is green chili chutney. Yeah. And this sukhi, that garlic chutney. This one is garlic. It's very less actually. They have put it in that Vada Pav. If you can see, yeah, here that garlic chutney they have given me, and that they have given me this batata bhaji, kanda bhaji. Lot of times there, and I was recording their videos in front of me. They put it 2 times that Vada Pav and Vada, and immediately it got empty. Now I was shocked. It was good. So I will take my first bite. I will mix all the chutney. It's very hot actually, and I will see what is the good about in their Rajmata Vada Pav. I basically heard for their chutney they are famous. So here it goes my besan ki chutney. chutney, and it will go in and out. It's delicious. This potato, you know, see the potato. Can you see that smoke is coming a little bit? Like they have given me literally hot one. And it's very, you know, soft. It's very soft. Very, very soft. And in that there is potato. It mashed properly. Like when I had in my mouth, so immediately it melted in my mouth. And you know, like one taste is coming, that garlic, ginger and green chili. The taste is coming, and then later that coriander. That is the best thing. If someone will put in that vada, that coriander, it will be delicious, as guaranteed. And that besan ki chutney, it's quite good. But you know, it's different from the other vada pav. So it is not the same. They have a different from other. That's why, you know, they are famous, and it has been 40 years. With my information, I am telling you this. And that green chili chutney, it's not that much of spicy. You can have it anytime. So now let's try their batata bhaji. They have given me one of batata bhaji and chana bhaji. Delicious. Actually, you know, their potato, this inside of their potato bhaji, so their, you know, potato is not that much of thick. It's very thin. Like in other places, you will get that, you know, thick one. So inside it is not cooked properly. So you feel, you know, that little bit raw is there. So now I will eat this onion what can I taste in their kanda bhaji? That kanda is that onion. Can you see the onion? Again, it is very thin. It's not that much of, you know, it's very thin, not that much of thick. So you can have it. It's really delicious. It's good. Really. That's all I have had here that vada pav. And if you like my video, like, share and subscribe and share with your friends. And they are not on Zomato, they are not on Swiggy. You come here, give your order, take it hot. Take it hot immediately in front of you. They will give you. And it opens at morning at 7 a.m. to at night time 10 or 10:30 according to their customer. If customer is not there, then they will finish and they will serve and they will go and go. And staff is really very good, and the management, all staffs are good. They told me come inside, they told me to record. The staff is well behaved. I like the staff. And if you are coming, then must visit to Rajmata Vada Pav Snack Center. It is in between the market and like near BKG. So if you will ask, you can, you know, if you will ask anyone, they will tell you, yeah, it's here. Rajmata is famous in all over Thane. And when you will come, so from very far distance, you will, you know, you will smell, oh, Rajmata came, I guess, Rajmata came. So come here, have your vada pav, and it's a monsoon. It is very heavy rain in Thane. So do visit to Rajmata Vada Pav, and till then take care, and till then I will find find good food for you guys. And till then enjoy, and whatever food I have for you, please go, have a fun, and type your, drop your message on the comment which food you like the most, and if you have any suggestion for me, please let me know. Definitely I will listen your suggestion. Like whatever, if you have any favorite food, then definitely I will explore that food. Till then I will enjoy my vada pav, because I don't want it should be go, very, like I should eat very hot, like otherwise it will be very cool, and then the no taste will come from that vada pav. Till then, take care and